In example 2b, I'm going to do that same process. What are the zeros of y equals negative x minus 1 times x plus 4 times x plus 2? And you might notice this looks a little bit different because I have this negative here, but we keep going with our same process. And then we're going to graph. So first step, find our zeros. We have a 0 when x is 1. We have a 0 when x is negative 4. And we have a 0 when x is negative 1, negative 4, and negative 2. So start off by graphing our zeros. X-intercept at 1, x-intercept at negative 4, and x-intercept at negative 2. Now our y-intercept, same process. To find our y-intercept, we're going to plug 0 in for x. In your equation, so we'd end up with negative 0 minus 1, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 2, which is negative 0 minus 1 is negative 1, times 4 times 2, which ends up at 8 altogether. Okay, so our y-intercept is 8. We add that to our graph. And then the last piece is to figure out our degree. So our degree, again, if we were to multiply all of this out, I would end up with an x to the third power somewhere, x times x times x. So my degree is 3. However, I have this negative out front. Which means I'm going to end up with a negative coefficient, a negative x to the third. So the ends are really going to look like this. Okay, that left end is going to go up. That right end goes down. And now now that we know where our y-intercept is and we know our other x-intercept, we can kind of fill in the middle chunk. Okay, so this piece, let's go here. And again, this is a pretty rough sketch. I don't know how far down this goes. We don't really know if this is actually the maximum over here or if we really go any higher. But it's a rough sketch, gives us a good idea what it looks like.